This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have root or sudo. That lets you change network state immediately. Next, inspect the adapter physically and run rfkill list to ensure radio is not blocked. Once done, list interfaces with IP link show and write down the interface name, for example WLAN 0 or ETH0. These steps avoid wasted effort. Knowing the device name and unblock state lets you act on the correct interface without guessing. You now reset the software side. Unload and reload the kernel driver with modprobe to clear driver-level faults and check dmesk for errors. Then restart Network Manager via systemctl restart Network Manager to refresh profiles and DHCP handling. After that, bring the interface up with IP link, set deviface up, and request an address with sudo dhclient iface if needed. This sequence fixes common state mismatches between kernel, service, and DHCP. To finish, verify connectivity. IP or show the interface, then ping or dig a public IP to confirm routing and DNS. If the fix is temporary, make it persistent by updating Network Manager or /etc/network/interfaces and then enabling the service. If things still fail, check rfkill again, missing firmware messages in dmesk, and review journoctl Network Manager for errors. One key troubleshooting tip: look for a blocked Wi-Fi or missing firmware, because resolving that often completes the repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.